Most people get this wrong. They think Fundly is just another quick cash app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Fundly has transformed into a versatile financial platform, offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and budgeting tools to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. Fundly allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is useful for covering unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. On top of that, Fundly offers installment plans for eligible purchases, letting you split payments into manageable portions, so you can avoid financial surprises at the end of the month. The app also includes a clean dashboard where you can track advances, upcoming payments, and overall spending trends. Notifications and reminders help you stay on top of repayments and avoid late fees, making it easier to maintain good financial habits. The downside, overusing Fundly can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the app may mask deeper financial challenges. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications on for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Fundly. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find the fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Fundly in 2026 is a convenient, flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your repayments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical money advice to stay in control of your finances.